idea.
But you didn't, I think, invested much on marketing initially, I guess, because
Never.
nahi na.
Nahi.
So how did you got your initial like 10,000 customers?
Oh, we had 13 lakh on the app. So
शुरुआत में
नहीं, over a period of 2.5 years, 3 years.
नहीं, मैं शुरुआत कब को पूछ रही हूँ.
Nothing. It just was word of mouth. And I guess the biggest challenge was, sometimes you need to understand what is missing in the market. We understood that today, the big giants like the app cab aggregators, right? They were missing. They started with an amazing promise.
Yeah.
They made us shift from using yellow taxis and, I remember those days when I was in early days of my college and my dad used to travel in the morning, like, taking those early flights to Delhi or Bombay. He used to request me or ask me or, kind of tell me ki boss meko, you drop me towards Hyatt or some nearby area where the cabs used to stand in the morning.
Yeah.
From that day coming to a function where the cab is actually coming to your doorstep was a massive change, right? And that was again technology driven. You can check where your car is coming from and whatnot. So from there, 10 years down the line, we also understood that while they solved one bit of the problem, now the newer problems, of course, any business will have problems eventually, was, the lack of confidence from the customer. Yaar, cab aayegi, subah airport ke liye plane pakadna hai ya kahin jana hai. And it used to be a very skeptical situation. So we started, getting to understand, okay, there are a couple of problem statements again. One is, again, no cancellation. I mean, if you can promise the delivery of the vehicle without, harassing the consumer, that is something which is missing today in the market. The second is a transparent pricing, which is missing in the market, because when we were doing our research, we saw that a lot of these complaints were coming from the consumer कि यार कैब बुलाते हैं, एंड मिनट में कैंसिल हो जाती है, फिर वेट करते रहो. So unreliability factor had increased a lot in the market. Second was the like people complain about pricing. Like, sometimes it takes 400, sometimes it takes 300, sometimes it takes 200. So there is no reliability.
Lots of fluctuation.
Yes. And the third was, like, of course, these cabs were getting older. These cabs were getting unserviced. So people also were complaining कि यार cabs ना अच्छी मिलती नहीं है. So while we want good service, and we are ready to pay some extra amount for that, but there's no reliable or decent service in the market. That was the idea that we started off with. So we saw kind of a space where these things are required, and I think once we delivered, it just spread. Boss, नया है, cab है, drivers अच्छे हैं, गाड़ी neat and clean है.
I came to know about Snappy. My husband told me about it कि यार एक नया cab brand है, वो सिर्फ EV कार चलाता है. Like, okay, interesting. And EV was like pretty new at that point. सबके पास नहीं था, and maybe not a lot of people have even sat on an EV. EV बहुत कम sound करता है, गाड़ी जो होती है. तो once we were taking a cab, so we took Snappy, and यार एक तो clean new cars है सारे, दूसरा एकदम आवाज़ नहीं करता. इट्स सच अ कंफर्टेबल राइड. सो दैट बिकेम आवर ये कि हाँ, एक तो ये ईवी है, वो एक कॉन्शियसनेस हो जाता है कि चलो अच्छा जब जाना ही है तो ईवी में जाते हैं. दूसरा क्लीन कार्स मिल रहे हैं. तो these were the 3 reasons why we really liked Snappy.
Yeah, I think that's the majority people का notion कि, that's how it works. And that is also what we thought. From our business perspective, we had 3 different kind of agenda as well. So from consumer point of view, we were there where you are. But from business point of view also, we understood a couple of things. So we were giving back to the society, right? I mean, while it might sound very bookish or very newspaperish kind of a thing, but actually the reality is today we are in a place where if we don't take care of our planet, I mean, we are not leaving much for the kids or the next generations, right? And I personally believe that, yes, when I was born in 1980s and what I had seen back then, and of course towards the transition from 1980s to 1990s, I mean, we could see that skies were still bluer, there was enough cleanliness on the road and whatnot. And today you see a lot of haziness. I mean, I don't feel comfortable stepping out of the house for a run. While I do, but kuch to karna hi padega, but it is uncomfortable now. So we are moving towards a very, very a stage where things are getting really difficult. Like, see Delhi for that matter. Every year this time, abhi, like, I'm going to Delhi tomorrow. And I was speaking to my colleagues there, my office folks. तो वो बोलते सर अभी क्यों आ रहे हो आप? बोला क्यों, क्या हो? बोला सर यहाँ सांस लेने में भी तकलीफ हो रही है. लाइक यार अब काम तो है, आना तो पड़ेगा, but yeah, I mean that's the situation which we are dealing with.